All right, Jonathan, here we go. No, you were down.
It was like 4-8. 4-8. Yeah. Circle. Keep circling.
Sprawl. Get around him.
Stop that.
Watch that arm.
That leg out.
Let's go. Stand up here. There you go. You gotta drive it. You gotta drive it. Stand back up. Get him off your leg. Get him off your leg. Get him off your leg. Get your leg back. Get your leg back. Good.
Through the arms. There you go.
Good sprawl right there. Good sprawl. Now cross face. Cross face.
Cross face hard.
Cross face hard.
Hard.
Bring your arm to me. Bring your arm to me.
Keep moving. Keep moving. All the way behind. 2. Yes, sir.
Good job. Good job. Stay up behind the arms. Bring them down. Bring them down flat. Now stay behind them. Stay behind them. All right.
There you go.
Let's get another takedown here. Let's get another takedown. Set up your offense here, Jonathan.
There you go. Drive.
Drive through. Drive through.
Take that. That's yours.
Don't give this up. Do not give this up. Circle around. Circle around him. Get your head. There you go.
There you go. Finish. Finish.
Finish it.
Off your knees. Off your knees. Come on, man. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Let's
go, Jonathan. Keep fighting.
Shoot your arm through his body.
Short time, 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Keep fighting. Keep fighting.